for getting dizzy at the beach.
So if you ever needed an excuse to eat dessert, we have got one for you. Sunday, greatest national holiday ever, National S'mores Day.
I would agree with that.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, all right, that's a good reason for me. And we're celebrating this all-important holiday, and I mean important, with a few twists on the classic recipe.
Jana Helwig is the food editor for Parents Magazine. Morning, Jana.
Good morning.
All right, in honor of this great holiday.
Absolutely.
Making all kinds of s'mores and things that you can do like a s'more. So let's start with the traditional, which we know right here.
Everyone
Classic.
loves these toasted marshmallows, chocolate and graham crackers. But then we can mix it up a little bit. So we've got peanut butter and jelly s'mores right here, still with the toasted marshmallows. A little, you get a little protein, right? Right. And then Nilla wafer s'mores.
One of my favorite cookies.
Yeah, they're bite-sized. They're great for toddlers or adults who maybe
Got
don't want
bananas
to
in
use
that
much.
one?
Banana.
Yes,
Strawberry?
so the fruit ones,
good.
we don't have marshmallows. Instead, we've grilled bananas to make them nice
interesting.
and gooey and added strawberries and chocolate, of course.
This is Al's favorite. You like the peppermint
York
patty.
peppermint patty.
Delicious.
Oh my
I love
gosh.
it too. They get nice and melty.
All right, so
So
that's
show us how to make
s'more brownies.
That's right. Some dessert mashups here. So, would you like to pour the brownie batter into the pan?
Is that just out of a box?
You can do
brownie
either way.
batter,
You can
or-
do your favorite recipe, or you can do it out of a box. And this is a great one too because it really feeds a crowd. You don't have to stand around toasting the marshmallows, which isn't bad, but this is a little
This is
different.
cute.
Okay.
All right.
So you bake it until it's just finished,
Right.
and this is what you end up with. And then you want to put some of these little marshmallows on top.
These are little mini marshmallows.
Yeah,
They're cute.
you can do big ones too, but I like the small ones.
These are great.
Okay, and then are you going to bake
You're
them?
just going to put it under the broiler for about 1 or 2 minutes, and you end up with these gorgeous brownies.
So good.
And then we can
Fantastic.
crumble some graham cracker crumbs on top and drizzle with some chocolate syrup. And why not?
They end up like that.
And you end up with these gorgeous, delicious brownies that
crumbling
everyone
good.
loves.
I'm going to steal one of these little.
Oh,
Of
wow.
course,
That
yes.
amazing.
I know, you can't go wrong with that,
A
really.
s'more milkshake.
And a s'more milkshake. I have to say,
my
I
gosh,
think
look at
this is
that.
my favorite.
I love you.
All right.
Yeah.
We like the sound of this.
Okay, so we want to add just some milk
Ching ching.
Yeah.
and chocolate syrup.
You
I'll
picked
let
up
you
a bad
do
time to
that.
give up sweets.
Yes,
Yeah,
we're
here.
on a 30-day detox,
chocolate
and now I'm up
syrup.
to $60, and I don't care.
$5 for every time you cheat, right?
$5 for every time I cheat. Here's 65.
And then we're also going to add a few toasted marshmallows here. And then we want to just blend it up. Who wants to do the honors? Oh, I think we just
Got
turned
it?
it off.
Yep.
There we go. Yeah, perfect. Now we're going to add the ice cream.
The important
Nice.
part.
This is amazing. I'm so
gonna let
stunned
you
by
do
how many
this.
variations of the s'more
I
is
know.
out there. That's impressive.
Oh, well, it's everyone's favorite summertime treat. And you know, another good thing, if you want to make s'mores inside in the winter, is you
Yeah.
can just broil the marshmallows.
Sure.
You don't have to
Oh, there you
grill
go.
them or do it
That's a
over a
good idea.
campfire.
Yeah, boom, boom.
Let's
There we
do
go.
that.
Add some graham crackers straight.
And
And
this
then
is-
you've got
Try.
these beautiful milkshakes.
These look amazing.
Yeah, might as well finish that up.
Cha-ching.
Wow. Fantastic.
Enjoy.
Fantastic.
Cheers.
Yeah,
You're
thank you.
welcome. My pleasure. It's good.
This is
I do love you.
I love you too.
So good. The recipes are on our website, today.com. We're back in a moment. This is Today on
I'm like, I want to go like one and together.
Yeah. I know. Oh, good. I'm